Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you it's a new trade-in. It's a 2015 Sea Ray 290 Sun Deck. This is a freshwater boat. Trailer is not included. I can get a trailer for you, but the trailer it's sitting on just for transportation. It's a freshwater boat, been kept on Lake Hartwell here in upstate South Carolina. Full color hull upgrade, full side hull upgrade. It is the Sea Ray Red, the silver accent stripes you can see. It does have the hybrid sport arch, bimini top, rear facing recliners on it. This boat's powered with the Mercury 350 mag. Great boat, runs phenomenal. It's got a ton of interior space. I'll climb aboard here in just a second. Boat's currently winterized, as you see. Facing lounger, side transom walk through. Some more exterior shots. Climb aboard, take a look. Sorry about that. It's two rear facing loungers. Nice L-shaped bench. This one does have a grill, a sink, and a refrigerator here. Got in-floor storage in the cockpit and up in the bow. Flip seating here, flip seating here. It's got a large head in it. Got the head here. This console, this boat does have 247 hours. Does have the blue LED package inside. Trim tabs, of course the Mercury DTS. And then of course on the dash you just have your fuel gauge, RPM gauge, miles per hour, and your trim. Does have the upgraded stereo system in it. This one also has the inverter. Take a look at it real quick. Focus for me. Inverter onboard battery charger. It's well equipped, huge bow in it. Does have the cockpit table. Nice boat. This boat is available for immediate delivery. Just needs a good cleaning, which will take place here soon. It'll have a full service as well. Boat's located at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.